Morning, guys. Oh my gosh, running off a few hours sleep. We'll tell you later, guys. We've been very busy, very tired. Laura's at home getting better, but we picked up this little homeless.
I was on the streets.
Check the fit. I like those shoes, buddy.
Scared
I
of
like those shoes, buddy. Yeah, tell him what happened to your leg. So basically,
So
he got into a really bad scrap.
Nah.
And as you can see, he lost.
Nah. This is what actually happened. One day, me and the whole family went to the zoo. And then this grizzly bear wanted the 1 ounce. I was like, that's 8 spot. Come on, man.
Oh, mate,
then
calm
I
down. Belulu. Dino, why's your hair fluffing up?
Oh, because I had to.
Is that your horsey?
Yeah.
Scroll. Oh, you want to push it now? Yep. Okay, guys. That's our shopping for the day. Darnell decided to do some other eye shopping.
It's not my fault that the Williston family is so beautiful.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh, also I need some more houseplants. Oh, that is so beautiful. Hey, guys. She's smiling now. We're on our way to take Laura to an interview, but we can't tell you where. It's secret. But we're being very selective though, because we really want one close to home, because we only have one car. Technically, we only have one car. So we're trying to make it easier for everybody. This is the hood. This is us. This is our little squad, our little crew, our little trio. I've since the last upload, I have definitely cut down on Fortnite. So don't worry, guys. I got under wraps. I'm in my hiatus status now. Yeah, I like the back camera a bit. So yeah, we'll let you guys know how we go after. Bye. Guys, it seems that I just keep forgetting to pick it up. I'm sorry. We're having dinner. Oh, I don't know why this is on here. Flip it. Wow. We're having spaghetti. Spag bowl. Is that nice?
Yes.
Ooh. Tasty, Georgie boy. Welcome, guys, to another vlog. Can't keep track. Keep losing track is what I should say. Today we are doing a ngadwenga for our house. Today is the 2nd of March, so happy new month. Can't believe we're already in March. Cameras are charging at the moment. I should have done it before on this side, but Laura's doing a great job here. I'm doing the webs. Wow, look how good this looks. Should have seen it before, so like all of that side looked like this. Got Georgie boy on the blower here. I actually had to step away for a bit because I got on a call from work. Damn, looks so good. It looks like when we first bought it. I'm so proud of these two. Holy! You guys did such a great job.
Ah, thank you.
No, seriously. It looks amazing. How's it going there, miss? Going good? Well done to you. See this? What's it? We're getting there, guys. So we're here at Enlighten Festival or whatever. Laura and I just finished a walk around the lake with my cousins. This is like an annual light festival that Canberra have. What you're looking at there is the old Parliament House in Canberra. They just reflect like lights around it and on it. This is pretty much it. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cute, guys. I'm just looking for something to eat.
Good evening, Canberra!
Show us what you got. I just want to go pet someone's dog. We're sitting down waiting for our food. Aussie and I got grease monkeys. Finally got our food. Laura's got her fish and chips. How's the burger? Show us. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Guys, so we just finished. So nice and cool. It's getting way cooler here in Canberra again, November. We just got back from our walk. Funny story with my headphones. Lost them for 2 days and I didn't even realize. Found them around the lake that we walked at, which I lost 2 days prior. And then lost them again within 30 minutes or an hour of finding them. So we went back and we found them. But this is our food. We're having breakfast for dinner. Wow, look at that bacon and eggs. Yum. Are you looking forward to it, Laura?
Yes, I'm hungry.
So am I.
Set. Oh, damn. Feely, creepy, rocket. No bomb me. Wow, there's a wall.
Leave my camera!
You have to update it. Update it. How do I update?
This is Bear's first time in the back, and he's shaking a bit. But the park's only like a 3-minute drive, so hopefully we'll be okay. But I've got his balls. Baby, you want to go park? We made it, guys. He survived. He didn't jump. Just shook the whole way. Drop it here. Drop it here. No, here. Bring it here. Drop it here. Yeah, alright then. That'll do. Get back. Better catch it. Yes! Very nice, guys. Good work. Morning, guys. So I have had all the Sacks in the family sleepover last night, except for Darnell and Lesse. But pretty much this squad over here woke me up at the crack of dawn with their screaming and shouting, and I have no idea how the doona cover has come off the bloody doona. Anyone care to share how the doona cover has come off the doona?
We were fidgeting a lot and then I don't know what happened. But we were trying to get the doona to each other, spread it across the bed, and then it just came off.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was belly. So we just used the white bar. I wasn't even getting any doona last night.
Oh, well, who was stealing it all? There was only 3 of you in the bed.
Wait.
Eben, how was your sleep on the couch? Did you feel nice and free and warm? Excuse me, Eben, what time was that at?
7:30. No, 6:69. That's when I woke up. I mean 6:59. Because 6:69 is anything.
Okay, well, I'm going to get started on your guys' breakfast. Today's looking a bit, how's it going? It's really foggy and smoky out there. I'm not sure what they were spraying out there. Nah, psych! Psych, you didn't hear that. I went to Coles last night and got some mini croissants for their ham and cheese toasties. We're gonna have some cereal, some juice. We've got our ham and cheese toasties going on. I'm about to put them in the oven.
Thank you, God, for the food and bless this food. Amen.
Guys, they're playing lappe now. 싫어? 걔네가 왕이죠. Oh my gosh, excuse my laughing. This is just too funny.